Hello there. I have for you what we call a pre-rip out video. So this is a property we've just bought, and before we do any work on it, we take you on a video tour of the property to show you what we bought, where it is, what we bought it for money wise, what it'll rent out for, what the work's going to be. It's like a video tour. It's not me that does it. The videos come through to my phone every time that they happen. They come through to it's on a work, it's not Slack, but like a Slack channel, and I look at them. I'm really interested in watching all of them as they go through, and I made my mind up a long time ago, just where they arrive I'll just record the video and sort of introduce them. So I've looked through this one. This is the most requested type of video we get. It's also the one that's very likely to get in the comments something like, what on earth is that video about? So it's if you know about us and what we do, it's very obvious. These are the kind of properties we buy, and people, after they've been watching our videos for a while, start to say, can you show us some pictures of inside? This is not a Steven Spielberg video. It's pretty niche, and if you're interested in it, you're interested in it. These are the kind of houses that we find, fix and rent. We've done this one for a client. It's a chap called Jamie. He's going to take over the video in a minute. He's the one that sent it to me. He's our Stoke-based buyer partner. So he's out there finding, fixing and renting houses in the Stoke area. He's found this one. We give each property a code. So this one is 88OS. So if you look through the rest of the channel for months ahead, you'll find all the renovation videos on the renovation channel, and when it's finished, you'll find the finished updated video as well, and you can do that for any of the other properties. So yeah, I appreciate it's a little bit niche viewing. You look at it going, what's this? But if you know what it is, we also know that people really appreciate these. So Jamie's bought this house. He sent the video over only a couple of days ago. The purchase price on this one was £67,000. The rent is £575 a month. And I'll hand over to Jamie now, and he'll walk you through the rest of the property. So enjoy that, and don't forget to look at the description, 88OS, and if you want to watch more videos of the property go along, type that into the search in YouTube, and you can find those. If you're interested in becoming a client and having this service done for you, building a property portfolio, the baby without the labour pains, getting your property portfolio built for you on autopilot, go to the link, click on the book a discovery call link, and we run a weekly discovery call where you can come and talk to us, meet us on a Zoom call, get any questions answered, and it's a fact finding. It's a discovery call. That's why we call it a discovery call. So bye for now. Hope you enjoy the video. This is property code reference 88OS in Stoke-on-Trent. Purchased for 67,000. It'll rent in between 525 and 575. It was bought using our handhold service. Let me give you a tour around and show you what we're going to do. So the front of the house, simple enough. We're going to give it a wash down and repaint the cells. Let's go and have a look inside. So inside, we're going to take out this divide that's been put in to open out this lounge. Going to sweep the chimney, put PVC vent in there, and tidy up the skirting board. Wallpaper's coming off. It'll have a full skim. Update the electrics. New meter cupboards over the electric meter and the gas meter. New internal door. Into the second lounge. Same again with the fire surround. That'll come out and we'll make good. Wallpaper off. Full skim. New internal doors. Full decoration throughout. Gonna have a full new kitchen, newly tiled floors, new PVC back door, new PVC window, full skim throughout again. Boiler's gonna have a full maintenance and any updating that's needed. Into the bathroom, newly tiled floors, newly tiled splashback, full skim again, new bathroom suite, new windows, new internal door with privacy lock. The stairs is going to have a new door at the bottom. All the wallpaper's coming off and it's going to be skimmed right the way up. Wall light's going to be taken out and new ceiling rows and pendants will be fitted. Into the back bedroom. Fire surrounds coming out again.
All the wallpaper's coming off, full skim throughout. Update the electrics throughout, as mentioned before, and a new internal door also. Into the back bedroom, same again with the fire surround. Wallpaper off, full skim, new internal doors. Outside's going to have a good tidy up, repaint the walls cream, paint the back gate. Check the video description to see how we can help you buy something similar.